Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dedicated email sending domain in GoHighLevel. This is a crucial step for improving your email deliverability and ensuring your messages actually reach your clients' inboxes instead of landing in spam. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.gohighlevel.com to access your GoHighLevel account. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure you're on the correct agency or client dashboard where you want to configure the email sending domain. Now look at the left navigation panel and click on Settings. This is your control center for most customization options in GoHighLevel. Once you're in the settings area, scroll through the options until you find Email Services and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage how your emails are sent and which providers handle that delivery. On the Email Services page, direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Add Service. Click on it to begin the setup process. A pop-up window will appear with several fields to fill in. Keep in mind that this configuration varies depending on which email provider you're using. For this tutorial, we'll be using Namecheap as our example provider. The first thing you'll need to do is select your SMTP provider from the drop-down menu. Click the arrow to see all available options. If your specific provider isn't listed, simply select Other. Since we're using Namecheap, we'll need to gather the correct configuration details from their system. Open a new tab and head over to namecheap.com. Navigate to your domain list, then look at the top menu bar and click on Help Center. A drop-down will appear from which you should select Knowledge Base. This is where Namecheap stores all their technical documentation. In the Knowledge Base search bar, type in General Configuration for Mail Clients and Mobile Devices and hit Search. Click on the first result that appears. This page contains all the SMTP server details you'll need to complete your GoHighLevel setup. Scroll down to locate the specific settings for your outgoing mail server. Back in GoHighLevel, fill in the provider name following the format smtp.yourdomain.com. For the SMTP server field, enter your actual domain in that same format, for example, smtp.tutorialslab.com. Next, you'll need to copy the port number from the Namecheap documentation. For this setup, use port 465, which is the standard SMTP port with SSL encryption. Finally, add your username and hosting login credentials in the appropriate fields. Double-check everything to make sure all details are accurate, then click the Save button to complete the setup. And that's it. You've now configured a dedicated sending domain that will significantly improve your email deliverability rates in GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.